orgasm, the completeness, seems like a very sinful world, especially in our part of the world. Well, that is because we only take it in one context of sexuality and the physical body. And today I am going to tell you that orgasms can happen at different levels. Osho spoke about it long time back, and people made him sex guru. He spoke about tantra and a lot of other things, and especially after his book From Sex to Super Consciousness, that I also personally gifted a lot of people. People made him sex guru. Though the strange part is, if you read the book, that came in Hindi as well, Sambhog se Sambhadi ki aur. Not even one page or one paragraph speaks about sexuality in that book. It's just a reference, you can check. It speaks about ultimate love. Anyways, I decided to talk about this bold topic, and I hope they don't make me the next sex guru now. Because this is something that we are made up of. We are too used to brushing it under the carpet, but nobody listening to this audio, watching this video, anybody who can hear my voice is here because not because of this. So we are all here because somebody was interested in sexuality, our parents, and things happened and we came here. Okay, so sexuality is not something to be hated upon, or feel shy about. Anyways, coming back to orgasm, what is orgasm? Lot of women and men also come to me saying, Pooja ma'am, how do I marry? Pooja ji, I don't have a boyfriend. I'm so lonely. I feel alone. I need a companion. I want somebody with whom I have an intellectual connect. No. I want just a companion, a friend, different definition. Men also come and ask me such question. So right now the problem statement is, how do I marry? Or whom do I make my girlfriend? So let's understand orgasm can be at different levels. In my teenage, though I feel that I have been psychic in this lifetime since my childhood, but I'm very sure that my last lifetimes also I was spiritually awakened, and that's how the urja or the wisdom is getting carried forward in this lifetime. Anyways, when I was a teenager, I will whenever have a very good food, I will say, oh, I had a food orgasm, and people will laugh, she's crazy. And then whenever I visit a virgin destination and a scenic place, I will say that, oh, I've had a travel orgasm, and people will laugh. And the reason, because orgasm to us is just at the sexuality or the physical body level. No, orgasm means feeling so blissful that you feel complete. So let's understand it at 4 levels today broadly. In first one that we all know and have experienced is the physical body, that is sexuality. That orgasm, we experience it for few seconds and few minutes. It gives us pleasure, it's temporary, it goes away. Then it becomes a compulsion, it's addictive, because once you've experienced that pleasure, you want to revisit that pleasure and good memory moment, and you want to visit it again and again. So it becomes compulsion also. At times people are addicted to a lot of things. It could be a relationship hopping, it could be a lot of other things. Further, when you have experienced that, lot of people will move on to the next level of emotional body. So from physical body they'll move on to the emotional body, and when they come here, they're actually looking for a companionship orgasm. This is the state you would know, introspect after listening to what I'm saying. You would know if you're just happy with animal robotic sex, then you are still at the physical body orgasm level. And if you feel that no, you want a connect first, you want to know the person, companionship, then the chances are that your emotional body is working right now and you're looking for companionship orgasm. Then further you can move on to a mental body. when your that mental body becomes activated, when the relationship grows at that level, then you're looking for intellectual connect or intellect orgasm. That's the time when you want to have meaningful conversations with partner and then get into the bed. Well, mostly people get stuck here for throughout their lives. So did I for years and years, because this is a very tricky state to be in. This is the time when you become most rational and you look for logics, right, wrong, this is my way, this is not my way, it's either my way or the highway, things like that. However, if you work on yourself, there is a totally different form of heaven which is beyond this, and then you move on to your energy body where you experience the real bliss or trance, and that's the complete orgasm. Okay, that is the time when you feel complete like a Ardhanareshwar. You feel Shiva as well as Shakti within you. You feel masculine and feminine energy, and both in the right balance. This is the state when you stop running behind, chasing girls and boys, and this is the time when people want to come and be with you. Okay, and in order to move on to the next level, we have to first go through and experience the previous level. Only then upgradation happens. It's just like you cannot go to a class 5th if you do not go through 4th standard. So only once you've been there, done that, experienced the physical body sexuality orgasm, you move on to emotional body companionship orgasm, and then you further move on to mental body with intellectual or intellect orgasm, and finally moving on to the energy body with complete orgasm. So you are upgrading yourself from physical body animal instinct to energy body or sexuality orgasm to complete orgasm. And this is how you can change your statement from Pooja ji, how do I marry, to whom do I marry? There's a queue in front of me. So I hope this helps, and this will be a successful mantra. Orgasm is to be experienced at all the levels, especially energy, not to get addicted or compulsive. It is to give you more energy, balance, and clarity in your life. Namaste.